Alright guys, check it out. I'm back out here with the Glock 34 with the Venom sight on it. I know I called this a Defender the last time, but it's actually a Venom. And I absolutely got reamed on my zeroing and my zero process. So I'm out here to redeem myself. You guys were saying that I was too far away, that 25 yards was too far for a pistol. So I put the target at 10 yards. The ammo I was shooting the last time was just some random cheap stuff from Academy. I've upgraded to some 147 grain. You guys said I needed to go ahead and support the pistol or brace the pistol and shouldn't be zeroing offhand. So I think I've got all your suggestions down now. I have the pistol supported with a bipod and rear bag. I've got the best ammo I could find at the store. And I've moved the target to 10 yards here. So let's see what happens with our zeroing now. Let's go for the upper left target. I would say this thing is zeroed now. I'm gonna run down and put this target at 25 yards to show you guys what a 25-yard group would look like off of this brace. That's a pretty nice group right there. 10 yards with a pistol. So we're gonna move on to a 25-yard group here. Show you guys what that looks like. All right, so this is a 25-yard group with Winchester 147 grain 9mm out of the Glock 24 with the Vortex Venom 6 MOA dot, running it with the bipod and rear sock. All right, let's run down there and look at the target real quick. Looks like it's going to be roughly 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5 inch group at 25 yards. You know what guys, I was about to end the video off right there, but I'm going to go ahead and give you guys one more 25-yard group. This time I'm going to be shooting at a bullseye target down there, just standing offhand. 10 rounds. Slow fire. Let's see what I can do. All right, guys, let's look at that, see what that looks like. All right, so this is going to be 10 rounds, standing slow fire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Roughly 5-inch group at 25 yards. That's about the same as what I got with the sand sock and bipod. So I don't know what you guys think a stock Glock 34 group size should be at 25 yards, but 5 inches, I mean, can't do much better than that in my opinion.